Hello YouTube, let's try this again. Had a phone call, I had to terminate the video there. Let's try this again. Continuation from my remote repair job here. I did put a little bit of 5-minute epoxy on the end here to give a little extra strength. And then I put a little bit of dab of liquid electrical tape. So, works real good. Everybody want to see, what does it? Want to see it work, want to see it work. Well, that's kind of hard to do since the camera that I'm using is what I'm recording off of, but I can go ahead and turn it on here and use the test button on the remote to show you that it does work. You can adjust the power of the flash with this. You have to do it the old manual way, but it does give you the freedom of not having a cord stretched across the floor there and tripping up and maybe pulling your camera over and tearing your camera up. So hopefully we'll use this here pretty soon, and we'll post maybe a short video on that usage there when I get my studio lights set back up. But it does work, and I'm very happy with it. So, and want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that bell icon. Any comments or anything you would like to see made or done, especially on my hiking and outdoor photography part, feel free to give a shout out. And thank you once again for watching.